Michelle from the Bead Gallery, and I'm going to show you how to keep your wire in control. So now we sell wire in bulk packages. This is the best way to get it from us because it's obviously the least expensive when it comes down to by the foot pricing. Sometimes it's up to half off the by the foot price for us. So, you know, it's a good option if you're going to use a lot of one kind of wire. However, sometimes it comes in these packages in coils like this, especially the skinnier gauges. You can have anywhere from 20 to 70 feet in one of these packages, and if you accidentally let it out of the bag, sometimes it can explode all over the place, and that we know is not a good thing because it's very hard to put back in the bag. So I'm going to show you a trick that we learned from our very dear friend Lanette way back in the day over at Ward, our Ward location. She taught us this trick on how to keep it in the bag but be able to pull it out of the bag as much as you need in a very controlled fashion. Okay, so if you buy your bulk wire from us, sometimes it will look like this with like a big coil, and it's like a zip. It's like twist tied here. So what you do is you take it out of the bag and don't let it go. You can take off the twist tie though, like so. Okay, and then you find one end and you kind of let it stick out a little bit. And then get it back in the bag without it exploding all over the place. Now this is really important for a half hard wire where it's very springy and it just is going to boing all over the place if you let it go. So don't let it go. What I like to do is I'll put a piece of tape, Scotch tape, right in the middle of the bag like this. This is kind of like a reinforcement of the plastic bag. And then I'll pinch the bag, just the one side, don't pinch both front and back. We just want to pinch the front. Then I'm going to make a little cut in the tape like so. Okay, so there's a little hole right there. Then I'm going to get the tail that's sticking out and poke it through the hole I just made. And pull like this. Okay, and then seal the bag so your wire doesn't escape. And now all you have to do is just pull it to dispense. Ooh. Now, isn't that awesome? It's the best trick ever when you are trying to store your thin gauges of bulk wire. It's just the best. So I suggest you try it and let us know how it goes for you.